So how do you check emails on the iPad? Let me talk about it. If you're new on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything. So it might be that you just got an iPad and you want to start using it. In order to access your emails, you have more options, but by default, you have this mail application, which you can look up. It's already built in to the iPad like that, and you will be able to just see what's really going on, right? So you can just get inside it there, sign in with your account if you haven't already, right? And just add your email. It doesn't have to be like Apple iCloud email address. It might be Google, it might be Yahoo Mail, whatever. You can use this application to sign in to your inbox and check out your emails there, right? So that's how you can do this. For more information, check out the settings where you can scroll to the apps at the bottom and look up the mail settings specifically, which lets you control your accounts and perhaps add a new one as well, so you can have even more accounts, and also change some of the settings in here like notifications. Perhaps you want to be notified when there's something new or whatever, just piques your interest from your settings here. But I personally also have the Gmail app on my iPad because I have more email accounts, and you can also download some other mail applications from the App Store where you will as well just sign into your mail account and browse all of your inboxes in there. So as you can tell, so many different ways to access your mail on the iPad. I really hope that I can help you out with this. If there is something very interesting that you have in mind, just share it with us in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching. Just make sure you subscribe and you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.